Your machine can be equipped with either square or round discs for line painting, and selecting the correct shape will ensure lines are neat and straight regardless of the surface. If painting on hard surfaces, you should use square discs to help prevent paint seeping under, while round discs are suitable for softer surfaces such as grass or astroturf. To change the discs, take the 13mm spanner supplied or use a 13mm ratchet. Loosen both bolts and be careful to retain the washer and nut. You can now slide the unwanted disc off. Take the desired disc, making sure the bolt is facing towards you and is closer to the front of the machine. Slide in and replace the washer, nut and tighten completely. Then, back the nut off 1/4 of a turn for a little free movement. Repeat this with the second disc, again ensuring that the bolt is facing towards you and is closer to the front of the machine.